guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, this is a vlog of my trip that I took, and it was really fun. And I mostly just have clips of some of the things that I did, so it's not really in order, but I hope you guys enjoy. And this was a view from my room, and the Ferris wheel reminded me of the one from Pokemon Black when you get to ride within. And here is just my bed with my little plushies on it, and here is my outfit of the day. I really like this shirt. So that's pretty much all for today's video, and I had a lot of fun here, and I just filmed a little bit because I was in the moment, but I will, after I show you guys the rest of these clips, I will show you a little haul of some of the things that I got. So now I'm going to show you guys my little haul that I got from Las Vegas. So the first thing is a couple of stuff that I picked up from a Las Vegas souvenir store. And the first one is this really cute beanie baby of Groot. And yeah, it doesn't say Las Vegas on it, but I did get him from a gift shop. He was just really cute, and I thought he'd be a fun buddy to hold when I watch the new Disney Plus shorts that they're coming out for Groot. And the next thing I got from the souvenir shop is this really cute bear that has a pink shirt on. It's really soft and cute, and I really like it. Very fuzzy. So the next thing is this really cute keychain of my name, and it has like a pink outline on it. So here is the keychain, very cute. I really love it. Love the sparkles, totally my style. And it also has a little charm that says Las Vegas, which I thought was really cute. And the next thing is from this really cute candy shop, and it's a candy mystery tin, and it's Mario Kart. I couldn't wait, so I already opened it so I know which one it is, but I didn't eat the candy yet. But here it is. It's very cute and a very nice quality tin, so after I eat the candy I'll probably use it for something. The next item is from a macaron shop. I didn't actually get a macaron, but I did get a pin because they had some really cute keychains and pins, and it's this very cute shaker pin of Pikachu, and it's very adorable, and there's little yellow hearts inside of Pikachu's face, and I just thought that was really cute. And the next few things are what me and my sister won from the arcade, and she won this really cute squishmallow of Carl, and it's a keychain, and I won this really cute ice cream squishmallow. It's very cute. I like the mint color and then the chocolate sauce and the sprinkles. And then I won this very cute and soft pink bear from a water shooter game in the arcade, and I really like it. It's very cute, and it has a pink bow around its neck. And the next couple of plushies are ticket prizes from the arcade. And I have this really cute dolphin. And then I have this very cute, I believe, octopus. Oh, and I forgot about this sticker. This was from the Vegas gift store from earlier where I got Groot, but I just thought that sticker was hilarious. And another little arcade plush I got is this very cute whale, and I really love its little eyes. The next item is from this very cute and cool manga shop. There was two inside the hotel. There's one downstairs and one upstairs. So this is where I got from the downstairs one. It's this lottery that they usually have in Japan, and you just pull a ticket, and based on what letter you get, it's the prize you got. And this is the prize I got. It was a mystery box. I do not know what this anime is, but I've always wanted to try the lottery, so I tried one out and I got a little figure. So this is how it looks. It's very cute. But if you guys know what anime this is from, feel free to tell me in the comments. So I'm just going to take out the plastic. I've been keeping it in the plastic so I can open it up for you guys. But here is a closer look. It's very cute. I love the little face and the little arms. And then this is from the same store but the upstairs store, and I got this very cute Pokemon Funko Pop of Caterpie, and I just saw it and I was like, I definitely need it because I feel like Funko Pops, you know how they make the black eyes, that's kind of like the staple, but like Caterpie's eyes are kind of already like that, so I just thought it was really cute and I couldn't pass it up. So I'll open it up and show you guys how it looks. So here he is all out of the packaging, and he looks so adorable, very very cute and very detailed. And this one comes with a stand so Caterpie can stand up. So the next thing is just pictures that I took at a photo booth with my sister, and I like the little cat frame that they gave you, and I was wearing my Pikachu hoodie on that picture if you can tell. And the next item is from the Hello Kitty Cafe, which I was really happy I could get there. And they had two different keychains, but I wanted the one that said Las Vegas for like the souvenir. But I'll give you guys a closer look. I'll take it out of the packaging. So this is how it looks. And it's Hello Kitty with a bunch of sweets around her. And it says, "Welcome to fabulous Las Vegas." And here is a necklace. And it's a little dolphin holding a pearl, it looks like. And I also got these earrings. If you guys didn't know, I really like dangling earrings that have a diamond or a stud at the end of it. That's kind of like my style. But yeah, those are really cute and I really liked them. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what your favorite thing that I picked up was, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.